Hey guys, my name is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. So today's video, I'll be showing you my skincare routine and some new products that I've recently bought and I wanted to try it out. So if you want to know the details on how I got this cute glowy skin, keep watching. So I've always been a let's try some new skincare type of person. I love trying new skincare products just to see how I like them. I have dry skin. My skin is like dry like the Sahara Desert. So anything that gives me hydration, good hydration, and don't have me feeling dry and itchy, I'm all for it. So some of the products that I'm using are products that I've used before, but I have two new products that I swapped out for some other stuff. So of course I'm going in with my favorite cleanser. I have the Tatcha Rice Wash Cleanser. I really like this cleanser. This is definitely one of my favorite cleansers. I really feel like it really just gets my skin really clean and I like it a lot. And then I'm taking lukewarm water and wiping the cleanser off my face. People be like, oh my god, you shouldn't use a towel. A towel is so harsh on my... Shut up. Like, shut up. I use what I want and it works for my skin and I ain't had no problems. I done seen a dermatologist and they said my skin was good, so baby, mind your business. Don't worry about my skin, worry about them pimples you got on your face. Period. So I let it air dry. You can pat it dry with the napkin, but I let mine air dry. Like, you know, I bought a charcoal based powder exfoliant. This is just to try it out. It's from Dermalogica. And I mean, I've always had good reviews with Dermalogica. Dermalogica is like the first brand I ever used for my skincare. So it's just literally a powder. Oops, I'm gonna put too much, but you literally, it's just a powder like that, and then you're just going to add water. I don't recommend using it more than 2 to 3 times a week. Exfoliating your skin is just too much. Exfoliation is just really harsh on the skin and you don't want that. You want to be good to your skin like you doing to that man that ain't doing you no good. So that means go above and beyond. I wasn't even recording, but okay, so now this is my hyaluronic acid that I'm using. When you're using hyaluronic acid, you want to make sure that your skin is damp because it needs something to grip onto, to hold onto, and it can't absorb. It cannot absorb on a dry face. So make sure your skin is damp and rub that in, and then I go down to my neck. Because people be forgetting that their necks age first. And when you see somebody with a wrinkle-dinkle gobble neck, it's because they weren't taking care of their neck. They were taking care of their skin, but they weren't taking care of their neck. Baby, gotta get that neck. If you can give neck, you can take care of your neck. So, like, there goes skin. Plump and looking cute. Now I'm going to go in, I don't know how to pronounce this brand, but it's the Snail Mucin. And I'm going to go in with this. Bringing it down to that neck. Ooh, skin is already looking hydrated, dewy, glowy, and all that as well. So I usually use my Glow Recipe Niacinamide Dewdrops, but I did get a sample from Sephora. I got the Glow Drops, the Hue Drops. I got the Hue Drops from Sephora. I got a tester to try it out, and I just want to see like if it does like do like what it actually does. So this is like how it looks. This is how it looks on the skin, I mean on my finger. So we're just gonna take that, put it on our face, and I'm gonna see if I like actually see a difference using this, because it does have like a tint to it. So I don't know, we're gonna see. It still smells like watermelon, so that's a plus because I really like the way their products smell really good. So it does give a glow, like a bronzy kind of glow. I don't know, when I see my video before, when I'm editing this, I can probably be able to see like the difference, because right now my light is like really bright and I really can't see like a huge difference, but it is on my hands. It's not like, it didn't tint my hands or anything like that, but you know. So alright, so it's been about 5 minutes and skin is still giving hydrated goddess or god. I did go and put some lip balm from Jack Black on, you know. And so now I got this new Snail Mucin. It's the all-in-one cream. I heard some mixed reviews on it, so I wanted to definitely try it out. Literally just not open it, first time using it. I know I shouldn't use like new products on my skin when I got shit to do, but my skin never really breaks out or it's not nothing ever drastic. So I'm just gonna see. Okay, so is it sticky or? Oh look, it's really sticky. Wow. Well, let's put it on. It glides on like Snail Mucin. Okay. It definitely does just glide on. That's a good thing. Okay. Skin's look. I actually burnt my head with my hot comb, so it don't hurt. I didn't even know I had a mark there because I had makeup on. So my favorite sunscreen is the Shiseido one, but I cannot find it. I don't know where it's at. I feel like I recently was outside and I think I took it with me and it's in one of my bags. But we're gonna go on with our Black Girl sunscreen. There's a lot of mixed reviews on this. I'm using this because I pay for it and I want to use it up, but definitely my Shiseido is my favorite. So put my sunscreen on, and I like the Shiseido one because I can use that all over my whole body. And I mean, I can use this all over my body too, but I just like the Shiseido because I literally just gotta go like that, and I just, you know. But all parts of our body is going to be exposed, so we're putting sunscreen all over. Plus, I have a beach day. I'm going to the beach with my friends, and we'll be drinking. We're gonna have a good time, food, all that. But definitely want to make sure you're putting sunscreen on the parts of your body that's gonna be super exposed, like, you know. I mean, you gotta go all over anyways, but y'all know what I mean. And the Elijah is up. Good morning, handsome. He's going to say hi. You gotta come over here.
Hi.
Hold on. Gotta wipe my hands off. Oh, you can see. Okay.
Hi.
Hi. No, I'm just brushing my hair because I'm going to go get my car detailed today. So I just need my hair to look decent. I'm not curling my hair and stuff till later when we go to the I'm not curling my hair until later when we go to the beach. But this is our skin care. We look cute, skin glowing, skin looking good. All products and details will be linked below. So that is our skincare routine. This was just something new, me trying some new products, and to just get my face back on YouTube because I ain't on it. Like, I gave up on it. I don't know if I want to take it serious or not, but that's it. Make sure you like this video, comment down below, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss me.